Hi, welcome to the course overview for Chem 110, Chemical Concepts with the Lab, now fully online. When you log into your Canvas class, you should see something like this. Definitely look over this page. It has a lot of important resources, especially for this initial getting going. I want to draw your attention to a few of them. We have some assignments right out of the get-go, a couple discussions, etc. So you can meet your instructor, do your introduce yourself discussion. This link will be available for accessing my virtual office hours, either during my office hours starting April 6th or by appointment. Some other really important links. Here's our syllabus. Please, please, please make sure you download this, read it thoroughly, and ask questions if you have them. A lot of important information found in here that will set you up for success. I always hate it when a student halfway through the quarter says, I didn't know we needed to do this or something like that. So please make sure you read this syllabus. I've sent out some emails already regarding how to set yourself up with that. HOL stands for Hands-On Lab. It's the name of a company. The HOL account and getting your kit ordered so that you can perform your home labs. But if you haven't had an opportunity to do that or you didn't receive those emails, then go ahead and click on that link and get that started. We can begin our Unit 1, Module 1 stuff as well. Some other kind of important things I want to draw your attention to is we have an ongoing discussion board throughout the quarter called the watering hole, where people can just post generic questions about the class or an assignment or labs. That will always be up and available. And then I know that one of the things about going online, maybe when we weren't planning on it or being trapped in our homes with our cats and dogs or children, is that lack of human connection. And humans really are a very, very social animal. And so I'm doing a kind of short little thing every week where people can just get together to socialize. If you're looking for that, this is by no means required. You don't even get extra credit in my heart for this. But if you're looking for that kind of thing, we'll be meeting Mondays 9 to 9:30 via Zoom. And this is open to all my classes, so just to be aware, lots of different people could be there. Next, I want to draw your attention to, hopefully you're a little familiar with Canvas before, but we do have, your to-do, there's a course calendar, lots of different great features. The library has some great Canvas training, webinars and things that you might want to look into. But I want to take you over to our modules. We'll see some very generic stuff, which is stuff that's available in other places as well. I get a little redundant on Canvas just to really make sure people can find the things they need to find. But going down here to our Unit 1, so far all that is published is the first week, as I mentioned in the announcement. So when you click on this little to-do, learning outcomes and to-do list, it's going to take you to a really important document here that has the, learning objectives, the things you should be able to do by the end of the week, or things you should be able to know, which should be preparing you then for tests or quizzes or assessments. Answering that, what about this is important? What do I need to know? So for each week. And then your to-do list for the week, and the links then to those assignments. So your first discussion post, which is going to have a slightly different due date than the rest, just because we are hitting week 1. You're welcome to get going on it earlier, but I will shift those due dates a teeny bit. Our lecture videos, our practice worksheet right there, etc., etc. Your first lab selfie, the objectives to the labs, etc. So you're going to get one of these for each week so that you know hopefully exactly what you're supposed to do and exactly what you're supposed to master, what content you want to master for that. Also within that is a link to go to the HOL platform and sign in to do your first lab. Lab 1 is actually 2 separate lab activities, both that are required in order to unlock any of the other labs. So make sure you get going on that. You do not need the lab kit for the first couple labs, so you can get going on those right away. And then here also is the playlist for the for the videos, and I put this up there in case you're having trouble with those Edpuzzle videos, you could still access the content while you and I work out why you're not getting points or why Edpuzzle isn't working for you. You'll still be able to watch those videos, and so you're not losing out on content. Now, this has been a rapid and kind of unexpected movement to online, and there are a lot of moving parts, which means there's a lot of places to make mistakes, to have things that aren't published or links that aren't working. So please do not hesitate to contact me if something isn't working, and I will do my best to get it up and going with you as soon as possible. So I look forward to working with you this quarter, and good luck in all your prep.